Hey guys, look what I got for you today. It is a cute little fox girl, or a girl with leaves attached to her hat to look like a fox. You know, it's subjective, whatever you want to think she is. Um, so we're just going to get set up, and we're going to draw this for this third week in October. You know, this is the fourth month. I told you, the fourth month this year with 5 Thursdays. So my hands are starting to get a little tired. I need a shorter year. So we'll talk about it. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, welcome to another wonderful Thursday. Thursday, October, 16? Week, what? Week 3. 3? Yeah, because, like I said, 5 Thursdays. Today, as you know, as you've seen in the beginning, we were working on this cute little forest girl. Just taking a look at my reference piece, and I'm like, she's some sort of forest girl. Not exactly sure. Got this little hat on here going on with ears on it. I'm honestly hoping these ears aren't like cut off or nothing. Or she's trying to be like an animal. Who knows? You know, each to their own, right, guys? I swear next week's it will be Cartoon Thursday. You have to wait just an extra week this month. But you're going to enjoy it. It's very complex. Very complex. But of course, adorable. No. Yeah, so next week's is going to be very adorable. I think this week's is adorable too. And once I find a cute male figure, then I will draw a male figure. But if it's not cute, like I'll look for like little, garden gnomes, I guess? I don't know. I don't specifically choose female characters. I just see them as I'm clicking through, and I think they're cute. So that's why I do mainly female. If you all have something like that you've seen that's cute that you would enjoy seeing me do, then just let me know. Like I'm not gonna bite. Okay, maybe I would. Maybe I would. I do sometimes get into those little jiggity jaggities where I wanna take a chunk out of somebody. I swear I haven't done it in a long time though. And I never swallowed the piece. I'm joking. I got lost. Where am I? Oh, I got her little hair here and her little ear here. Hair is not really that difficult. This is not hair. This is not hair. This is the inside of her hat. She does have a lot of hair. And you see, I'm just kind of staying with the bones, not directly on the bones. The bones know what they're doing. I just following the lines. I'm just following the lines that have already been placed before me. It's like a path. Like a path has been laid out before me. And all I have to do is just follow that path. And that is why I do the bones first, away from the, the light of day. Because those bones lead into everything. Everything that I do. See, there's her little arm. Everything that I do is laid out along those bones, right? And I'm always taking a look at my reference piece just to verify that I'm putting everything where it goes, always. Hair. A cute little nose. Leading up to her eye. Bridge of her nose. Thick line down the center of the lip. Thinner line at the top, the bottom, So what I noticed with this piece is there's not much of a bridge of a nose going on to that side of the face. In the reference piece, but I'm not going to add it because I'm unsure of it. And if you're unsure of it, I wouldn't suggest adding something until you know what you're dealing with. Right? So let's put her little, I don't even know, like a bib thing on here. I missed something. What did I miss? Oh, who knows? And there she be. Well, pretty much there she be. It ain't over till the fat lady sings or the fat lady gets the Q-tip. That's when it's over, right, guys? You could just make it any way you want, really. love doing these pictures with you guys. What do you think? All right, guys. Where should we put our name? Let's put her name in her lapel here. Or her whatever it is. Always put your name somewhere where nobody's going to be able to erase it. There we go. Our little deer fox lady, or furry, I guess you could say. Another Thursday in the books, and next week's Cartoon Thursday, you're really, really, really going to enjoy that one. I look forward to drawing with you again. See you next week.